Relative to the origin O, which has coordinates 0, 0, the position vector of the points A and B are, and we have them right here. OA is the position vector of A, and that is given as 9, 0. OB is the position vector of the point B, and that is given as 3, 6. Expressed in the form AB, more or less the same form that we have right here, the vector AB. We need to express in this form, which is the same form as the position vectors that we have right here, the vector AB. In finding the vector AB, we may make use of any path that goes from A to B. Any path that goes from A to B will be the vector AB. Therefore, we may go straight from A to B. But that vector is unknown. The vector of that direct path is unknown. We will therefore take the other path, which is to go from A to O, then from O to B. In going from A to O, we will make use of this vector, which is OA. And in going from O to B, we will make use of this vector, which is the vector OB. So we have the vector that goes from O to A and the one that goes from O to B. We'll make use of those two vectors, but I hope that you are seeing early what is happening. But if not, we will see that in a few seconds. Those are the vectors involved. The two vectors that are involved are OA and OB. We are required to find the vector AB, and we are setting ourselves up in order to do that. Notice what happens first. If we need to go from A to O, what is happening? We are going opposite to the direction of this arrow, which shows OA. Therefore, we are going in the opposite direction to OA, and we depict that with a negative sign. The first part of the motion is opposite to the vector OA and is therefore given a negative sign. We have OA going like this, and the vector is right there, OA, but in going from A to O, we are going in the opposite direction to OA. Therefore, for this part of the motion, we assigned a negative sign right there. We are going opposite to the vector OA. The first part of the motion is opposite to the vector OA and is therefore given a negative sign. What about the second part of the motion? Alright, we'll place that there. We are finding the vector AB, and we need to have that, so we are placing that in its appropriate place. What will go next? Next, we are going from O to B. Therefore, we are going in the same direction as OB. The vector OB may be included just as it is. The second part of the motion is in the same direction as OB, and the vector is placed in the expression unaffected because the arrow is in the same direction. There we go. The corresponding numbers are combined. So in AB, in the vector AB, we will combine the corresponding numbers, the first with the first. So that will give us 3 minus 9, which is negative 6, and 6 minus 0, which is 6. 3 minus 9, negative 6, 6 minus 0, that will give us 6. The vector AB is therefore negative 6, 6. The vectors could have been written in the same order as the motion. Right, so notice that what we did, we chose in this particular case to put the one that will be accompanied by a negative sign at the back. That is what we did, or put it second. The one that is unaffected, we place that at the front. It doesn't matter. The vectors could have been written in the same order as in the motion. The motion goes opposite to this one, which is the negative of 9, 0, and then we go in the same direction as this one, which is, we'll include that as a positive vector, positive of this same vector. And as we know, we don't have to include a positive sign to depict a positive expression. And that is why we did not necessarily place a positive sign there.
Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.